story. Birthday party. Cliff's new puppy. Today is Cliff's birthday. Happy birthday, Cliff! Everyone say. Cliff has a birthday party with his family and friends. They eat cake, sing song, and play games. But Cliff's best friend, John, is not at the party. John is visiting his grandparents' farm with his mom and dad. Then Cliff's mom and dad have a surprise. Happy birthday, they say. They give Cliff a little brown puppy. Oh, a puppy, Cliff shouted. The puppy is cute. It has a big eyes, a wagging tail, and a wet nose. I will call you Milo, say Cliff. Milo barks. Woof, woof. Everyone laughs. The next day, John come home from the farm. Cliff take Milo to John's house. Look, this is my new puppy, Milo, say Cliff. Wow, he is so cute, say John. The boys take Milo to the park. John throw a red ball. Go, Milo, say Cliff. Milo run fast. He catch the ball. But then a butterfly fly by. Milo forget the ball and run after the butterfly instead. The butterfly flies away. Milo looked confused. Everyone laughed. John threw the ball again. This time Milo bring the ball back. Good boy, Milo, say Cliff. Milo wags his tail happily. The two friends play together until the sun goes down. It is the best birthday gift ever. In the evening, Cliff John eats some of Cliff's birthday cake. They sit on a blanket under a tree while Milo sleeps.